So it took me a little while, but I finally perfected a delicious biscuit recipe. And of course, they're gluten-free and oil-free. Whether you like them with sweet, savory, or as a breakfast sandwich, you're gonna love these. And today, I'm gonna show you how to make it. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use to make these biscuits. Now I wanna share with you that I'm very, very excited about this recipe because I've tried a few different times to make a really good biscuit recipe. And I had one that was really good, but I wanted something that was just like exceptional. This recipe that I have now is excellent. If you try to make these biscuits, I can guarantee you, you're gonna be successful and you're going to love them. I don't say that a lot about my recipes, but I'm that confident in this one. Let's start putting it together. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just add my dry ingredients to the bowl and get them mixed up. Starting with some almond flour, oat flour, arrowroot, baking powder. Okay, and now I'm just mixing all my dry ingredients together really well to get them combined.
If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below.
All right, so now I'm just gonna slide my dry ingredients over here and we're gonna put our wet ingredients together and get them blended. All right, I'm gonna start with my plant milk. All right, now I'm gonna add my cashew butter and then my apple cider vinegar. All right, so now I've got my wet ingredients blended. Now I'm just gonna add my wet ingredients and my dry ingredients and start to mix those up and then get them onto the pan.
So as you can see, this recipe is really easy to put together. Now you want to be careful not to overmix your ingredients. The consistency should be thick and light. Then it's time to scoop your batter onto a parchment lined pan. Now I'm using a 1/3 cup ice cream scoop to make things nice and uniform. Then it's time to get it into the oven, and there you have it.
All right, our biscuits are done and they look great. Now this recipe can be found in my free holiday ebook that I put together to make planning for the holidays super easy. You can keep things healthy and delicious at the same time. Everything from turkey to mac and cheese to sweet potato pie. Nothing better than healthy, delicious food. Just check the descriptions below the video and I'll have all the details for how you can get my holiday ebook. And now a taste for you, of course. I'm telling you guys, these are great biscuits and I'm so happy about this recipe because it took me a little while to get here, but these are perfect. I know you'll love them. Get the ebook, get the recipe, all the other recipes, and have a very happy and healthy holiday.